Well, some call it a way to protect our court system, but others feel they're being unfairly targeted.
We're talking about a state question that you'll see on the ballot next month concerning Islamic law. As part of our Democracy 2010 initiative, 2 News reporter Marla Carter continues our week-long look into the 11 state questions. It's tonight's segment 2.
Praying 5 times a day, fasting, marriage, diet. These are all part of Islamic law, also called Sharia law. While part of Sharia law has to do with beliefs, in some Western countries, it's also legally used in certain cases.
When it comes into maybe divorce or family law, which is where it is applied in some Western nations like the United Kingdom, France, and elsewhere, it's only regarding family law.
But imagining that law here concerns Representative Rex Duncan.
If you think men ought to have all of the rights in a family law case and women shouldn't be treated as anything more than property or second-class citizens, then Sharia law is a bad thing.
The Council for American Islamic Relations, or CARE, says that's not the case at all.
So the U.S. Constitution will always be the law of the land regardless, and Muslims in America understand that and respect the U.S. Constitution as the highest authority in this land.
In fact, CARE says that since the U.S. Constitution is the law of the land, Sharia law could not be used in the U.S. So in its members' views, the state question is moot. But Duncan doesn't see it that way.
If litigants demand that they be allowed to settle their differences under Sharia law and have a U.S. court or a state court endorse or accept and impose those agreements, it's basically a court system within a court system. That's never acceptable.
Still, CARE cries foul and says there's only one objective behind the state question.
This state question really is a part of the growing Islamophobia that's been sweeping the nation.
Tolerance is a one-way street for CARE. They demand tolerance, they demand acceptance, but it's not a two-way street.
To learn more about this state question and others, just go to KJRH.com. Marla Carter, 2 News works for you.